Hello friends, welcome back to my channel My Quick Tips. I am Technical Arshad. In this video, let us talk about top SQL interview questions and answers, which is asked by the panel nowadays, which are very important for the placement and for the technical interview. So let's get started. Alright, so here we go with the first question. What is SQL? Friends, SQL stands for Structured Query Language and it is used to communicate with the database. This is a standard language used for maintaining relational database management system RDBMS to perform tasks such as retrieval, updation, insertion and deletion of data from a database. Now let's move on to the second question. So what are the subsets of SQL? The subsets of SQL are data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. Now the third question is, what is the difference between SQL and MySQL? SQL is a standard language which stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is the core of relational database which is used for accessing and managing database, while MySQL is a database management system referred to as DBMS. MySQL is a relational database management system referred to as RDBMS, such as SQL Server, Informix. So the next question is, what is the difference between char and varchar? In char, it is a data type in SQL which is used to store characteristics of fixed length and specified. The second point of char is, it can hold up to maximum of 255 characters and it uses static memory allocation, while in varchar is an variable length data type which can contain any type of data to a certain limit depending on the database type of data, such as char, string and number. Now it can hold a maximum of 65,535 characters and it uses dynamic memory allocation. Now let's move on to the fifth question. What are constants? Constants in SQL are used to specify the limit on the data type of the table. It can be specified while creating or altering the table statement. The sample of the constant are not null, check, default, unique, primary key and foreign key. Let's move on to the next question. What is the difference between delete and truncate statement? Delete command is used to delete a row in a table. You can roll back data after using delete statement. It is a data manipulation language. It's slower than truncate statement. While truncate is used to delete all the rows from a table, you can't roll back data. It is a data definition language command. It's faster than delete statement. Now the seventh question is, what is the difference between truncate and drop? Truncate removes all the rows from the table and it cannot be rolled back, while drop commands remove a table from the database and operation cannot be rolled back. Now the question is, what is a cursor? A database cursor is a control which enables traversal over the rows or record in the table. This can be viewed as a pointer to one row in a set of rows. Cursor is very much useful for traversing, such as the retrieval, addition and removal of database record. Move on to the next question. So what are the views in SQL? Views are virtual table and used to limit the tables that we want to display, and these are nothing but the result of a SQL statement that has a name associated with it. Since views are not physically present, so they take less space to store. Move on to the next one. What is an index? An index refers to a performance tuning method of allowing faster retrieval of records from the table. An index creates an entry for each value and hence it will be faster to retrieve data. Now move on to the 11th question. Explain the different type of index in SQL. First one is unique index. This index does not allow the field to have a duplicate value. If the column is unique index, if a primary key is defined, a unique index can be applied automatically. And the second one is clustered index. This index reorders the physical order of the table. and searches based on the basis of the key values. Each table can only have one cluster index. Now the third one is non-cluster index. Non-cluster index does not alter the physical order of the table and maintain a logical order of the data. Each table can have many non-clustered indexes. Let's move on to the next question. What is a stored procedure? A stored procedure is a function which consists of many SQL statements to access the database system. Several SQL statements are consolidated into a stored procedure and execute them whenever and wherever required, which save time and avoid writing code again and again. And this one is the most important question in SQL interview. Now friends, move to the next question. What do you mean by trigger in SQL? Trigger in SQL are a special type of stored procedure that are defined to execute automatically in place or after data modification. It allows you to execute a batch of code when an insert, update or any other query is executed against a specific table. Now the basic and the most important question in SQL interview is what is a primary key? A primary key in SQL is a column or a collection of columns or a set of columns that uniquely identify each row in the table. Uniquely identify a single row in the table or null values are not allowed. Now the last question of this series is what is a foreign key? A foreign key is one table which can be related to the primary key of another table. Relationship need to be created between two tables by referencing foreign key with the primary key of another table. So guys, these were the top 15 questions that could be asked in your interview. Please do subscribe. I very much appreciate the support. I hope you have enjoyed that video and good luck in your pursuit for passing your SQL interview. Thank you for watching this video.